Hello, this is Bradley with Survivors Trading Company. Let's go ahead and talk about water. Now, in a lot of survival situations, emergency situations, water isn't always readily available. You may have access to dirty water. You may have access to maybe a water bottle or two. Maybe have access to maybe that Coke that's left over inside of your car. But overall, you don't have a good source of water. Now, the tools that we have here are going to make it so that as long as you have a puddle, we'll be able to get you some clean water here. We got a couple of options. We're going to start with the emergency survival water straw made by Practical Survival. It comes in this case, and it's said to be able to block 99.99% of all bacterias. So making it a very solid option. If you can see through the plastic here, we've got the tip that you're going to suck the water out of. And then you place this water, or this end here, inside of the puddle, or whatever you're going to be using, like a river, creek bed. Place that end in. Suck out of this end, and it goes through the water filtration system and gets clean water into your mouth. Obviously, very low price of $12.50. This is available online as well as in store, survivalstradingco.us or Survivors Trading Co. just in store here in Priest River, Idaho. Next option we have is going to be our water filtration tablets. Now maybe you don't have enough space to store an entire straw, maybe you don't carry around a bag or something of that nature. We've got this very small, compact bottle, and it's got these purification tablets inside. And these purification tablets make it so that you just pop one or two of these inside of whatever form of water that you're going to be using. Obviously, you don't want to pop this into a puddle or a river. You're going to want to pop this into your cup. And this is going to take all those bacteria, kill it, sterilize it, and make it so that you're able to ingest very nice, clean water. Very helpful for storing either inside of your car, storing inside of a backpack, a pocket, something of that nature. If you're going hiking, I recommend bringing at least one of these with you. Very solid option. Now, one of the biggest companies that we're going to take our water filtration from is going to be LifeStraw. LifeStraw is the leading name when it comes to water filtration, as such in these scenarios where you're out hiking or in a survival situation. And we've got a couple products here from them that we're going to showcase to you. The first one here is going to be this collapsible squirt bottle from LifeStraw. Now, obviously, got a little bit of a foldable design. If you open up that top, it'll let this air come out. Pretty compact. This is going to be more used for maybe a big pocket if you've got like cargo pants, something of that nature, or maybe like a backpack. You can store this inside of your pack. And this makes it so that what you're going to do is you're going to take this right here. It comes with this little syringe. And what you're going to do is you have this nice little squeeze tip on the top. What you're going to do is you're going to take this entire top off here. Give it a firm tug here. Here's the filtration system. You're going to take your water, suck it up with this straw. I will let you know it is a bit of a pull there. It is kind of tight. You're going to suck up the water with the straw. You're able to screw it onto this filter and then push it in. Obviously, this filter is replaceable, so it makes it very nice, very reusable. And then obviously this filter just goes screwed right back on here. And likewise, the top, right back up here. Super solid pick, able to obviously store plenty of water for you. Next one we have is going to be their prized product, which is just the standard LifeStraw. Very straightforward. You have this end that you're going to dip into your dirty water, and you have this end that you're going to suck the water through. It's going to go through the filtration process, and it's going to give you nice pure water on the other side. Go ahead and close this one back up. And last, we have this multi-use water filter with gravity bag. So this is just a gravity bag. You fill it up with your water, and it's going to drain down into this system. It's going to be nice if you're staying in one spot. It's going to be able to hang there, and then you just reach over, grab your straw, be able to suck the water through, have nice pure water. All these are going to be super helpful for any sort of a survival situation or any situation where you don't have access to pure water. All these are available in store, online, at Survivors Trading Company.